Marcus Jenkins was 12 years old when he found the crumpled $20 bill on the sidewalk outside his apartment building in downtown Chicago. Most kids would have spent it on candy or video games. Marcus almost did, but that evening, his grandmother said something that changed his life forever. Money is like a seed, baby. You can eat it today, or you can plant it and eat for a lifetime. That was step 1. Change your mindset. Marcus taped the $20 bill to his bedroom wall and stared at it every night, imagining it growing into something bigger. He stopped seeing money as something to spend. He started seeing it as something alive, something that could work while he slept. Step 2. Learn everything you can. Marcus walked 8 blocks to the public library every Saturday morning. He read books meant for adults, books about investing, about compound interest, about assets and liabilities. The librarian, Mrs. Patterson, raised an eyebrow the first time he checked out The Intelligent Investor. By the 3rd visit, she was saving books for him. "You actually understand all that?" she asked. "Not yet," Marcus admitted. "But I will." Step 3. Earn your starting capital. Marcus mowed lawns, walked dogs, and sold lemonade with a twist. He added fresh mint from his grandmother's garden and charged a premium. While his friends played basketball after school, Marcus hustled. It wasn't glamorous. Some days it was brutal. He wanted to quit 100 times, but every dollar went into a jar on his dresser, and every night the jar got heavier. Step 4. Save before you spend. When Marcus earned $10, he saved $7. He wore the same sneakers until the soles peeled away. His classmates teased him. They flashed new shoes and wireless earbuds. Marcus smiled quietly. He understood something they didn't: the difference between looking rich and becoming rich. By his 13th birthday, Marcus had saved $612. Step 5. Make your first investment. With his grandmother's help, Marcus opened a custodial brokerage account. He invested in a low-cost index fund. Nothing flashy, nothing risky. He bought his first shares on a Tuesday afternoon, sitting at the kitchen table, hands trembling over the keyboard. "That's it?" he whispered, staring at the confirmation screen. His grandmother smiled. "That's everything." Step 6. Reinvest and be patient. The market dipped the very next week. Marcus felt sick. He wanted to pull his money out. He called his grandmother in a panic. "Did you plant a tomato and dig it up the next morning to see if it grew?" she asked calmly. Marcus left his money alone. Months passed. His small investment earned dividends, and he reinvested every cent. He added new money from his odd jobs whenever he could, even if it was just $5. The account grew slowly, then steadily, like a heartbeat finding its rhythm. Step 7. Build multiple streams. At 14, Marcus started a small digital business, designing simple logos for local shops using free software he'd mastered through online tutorials. The income was modest, but it was passive. Clients found him through word of mouth. Money arrived while he was at school, while he was sleeping, while he was living his life. By 15, Marcus Jenkins had built something most adults never do: a foundation. He wasn't rich, not yet. But standing on the rooftop of his apartment building, watching the Chicago skyline burn gold at sunset, he understood the truth his grandmother had planted in him that first evening. Wealth isn't built in a single leap. It's built in small, consistent, patient steps, 7 of them, repeated over and over until your money learns to walk on its own, and then, eventually, to run.